Well, in this video we are going to talk about the type mask tool. Well, type mask tool is used to create a mask by using typography. To use the type mask tool, simply right click on the type tool, then you'll find last two tools are type mask tool. In this I'm going to use the horizontal type mask tool. So click on the horizontal type mask tool, then click anywhere in the canvas to write the content. Then write the content whatever you would like to use. If you want to alter the content properties, then you can do it too by selecting the character panel. In character panel you will find every property regarding the characters. Font, size, everything is fine, so I'll simply press Command plus enter or simply click on this check button. Then you will find the selection of the layer. So this is what type mask is doing. Type mask tool creating a selection of the exact font which we are writing in our canvas. So if you want to move the position of this one, then you can select the marquee tool. With the help of marquee tool you can alter the position of written content. Then press Command plus J to create a new layer with the selection. So this is how our type mask tool is working. Now we need to add some effects to show this to the people. So for that, simply click on effects, then outer glow, add some glow effects in that. So blending mode is screen is fine and opacity is 80%. You can alter the colors or other properties of the outer glow too if you wish. Like if you have a green kind of background, then you can use the light green color. I'm not going to increase the spread values because it will increase the hardness of the edges. And sizes, you can play with size. Then there is a range. Definitely I would increase the range up to 100% because I wanna create a soft glow effect in that. Then after making these properties right, simply click on OK and our design is ready. So this is how simple it is. So you can do this too in a few minutes. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself and please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your family and friends. Thank you so much.